Debt Destroyers. Are you ready to take your personal finance game to the next level? Well, you're in luck, because today we are going to talk about a topic that's near and dear to everyone's heart, spending money. Now, I know what you're thinking, spending money is the exact opposite of what we should be doing if we're trying to pay off debt and build savings. But here's the thing, being financially responsible doesn't have to be boring or restrictive. In fact, it can be pretty fun. So, let's start with a little game. I'm going to give you a scenario, and you have to tell me what you would do with the money. Ready? Here we go. Scenario number 1. You receive a bonus at work, and it's $1,000. What do you do with the money? A. Treat yourself to a fancy dinner and splurge on a new outfit. B. Put it all towards your debt. C. Invest it in the stock market. D. Save it for a rainy day. If you answered B, congratulations. You're on the right track. But don't worry if you didn't, this is just a fun way to get us thinking about our spending habits and priorities. Now, let me remind you to check out my other YouTube videos, where I share even more tips on managing your money and your mental health. I'm sure you'll find them helpful and informative. Also, have you ever tried setting savings goals with a friend or partner? It can be a great way to stay motivated and hold each other accountable. Or, have you ever thought about starting a side hustle or passive income stream? There are so many creative ways to make a little extra cash, and it can be a fun challenge to find something that works for you. And of course, there's always the classic advice of pay yourself first, that is, setting aside a certain percentage of your income for savings before you even think about spending the rest. In conclusion, being financially responsible doesn't have to be a chore. With a little creativity and a positive attitude, you can turn it into a game and have some fun along the way. Thanks for watching Debt Destroyers, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you in my other videos.